How to book an MSLC tutoring appointment. To book an MSLC tutoring appointment, start by logging into the internet using your UTSC ID or UTOR ID and password. Under the Quick Links navigation bar on the left, click on MSLC Tutorial. You will see a calendar displaying all appointment times for the current calendar month. Open time slots are shown in green. There are two types of tutorials that you can book, either math or stats. Select the tutorial of your choice by clicking on its title. This is MSLC Tutorial by Mathieu Manal. If you are looking for stats tutorials, click the available sessions for MSLC Tutorial by Stats TA. The next screen will display all appointment times for the tutorial. Already reserved time slots will be listed as booked, and open time slots will instead display a book link. Click the book link next to your desired time slot. Make sure you've selected the correct type of appointment, either math or stats. Congratulations, you've booked your MSLC tutorial. To change your appointment, click Cancel and choose another available time. Please arrive on time and bring any questions you may have for the tutorial leader. See you at MSLC!